Welcome back to Automobile's Car, where we explore the most iconic machines on four wheels. Today, buckle up, because we're diving deep into one of the most legendary SUVs ever built. It's tough. It's luxurious. It's iconic. Yes, we're talking about the 2026 Toyota Land Cruiser ZX J300, a machine that's not just a vehicle but a legacy on wheels. And today, we're looking at it in its 2023 form, priced around 2 crore rupees, and trust me, every rupee of it feels justified once you step inside and take control. Now, the J300 is not just the next chapter in the Land Cruiser saga, it's a full-on reinvention. After 70 years of history, Toyota has flipped the script while preserving the heart of what made the Land Cruiser a household name: durability, power, and sheer presence. So what makes the Land Cruiser ZX J300 so special? Why does it carry a 2 crore price tag in some markets like India or Pakistan? Is it still the king of off-road while pampering you like a luxury limo? Let's find out. First off, look at the design. The Land Cruiser has always had a bold, no-nonsense look, but the J300 brings it to a new level. It's sharper, more aerodynamic, yet still unapologetically rugged. The massive grille, the sleek LED headlights, the commanding stance, it's an SUV that says, "Move out of the way, I own this road." And those 20-inch alloy wheels. Pure muscle meets elegance. The front fascia carries the bold new Toyota identity, massive, wide, chrome-rich, with strong horizontal elements. The ZX trim brings in extra detailing: chrome slats, LED daytime running lights, fog lamps nestled in a well-contoured bumper, and a bonnet that bulges ever so slightly to show off that hidden beast underneath. Move to the side, and the length becomes clear. This is a full-size SUV in every sense. From the high ground clearance to the roof rails and large glass area, it's not just about style. It's about substance.